Hello, I'm Mike Wassum. We're at the Wassum Ranch in Houston, California. This ranch has been around for over 120 years. They used to grow a lot of peaches, dried peaches, then canning peaches. We switched over to almonds and cherries 30, 40 years ago. And my latest venture was just planting a few olives along the driveway. And now I have a few more around my house. The plan was to make a little olive oil and try to have a little business. The olive oil is pressed really quick after we harvest, so it's really fresh. So it's a high quality olive oil. The acidity is usually between 0.5, 0.8, 0.08. So it's very low acidity, which is very high quality.
So when we say it's hand-picked and it's pricey, now you know why.
I like to hand pick because the olives are cleaner and are less damage to the olive. These are mostly Licino and Correntina, and the smaller trees are Fantoyos. And in my backyard, I got a multiple array of different kinds of Tuscan blends. So some people, they separate the varieties. I like the multiple varieties because you get a lot of different flavors, and every year, it's just like the wine, it's different. Get them in to have them pressed quick as possible, so the olives are fresh when they're pressed. But as you see, they're not damaged. Or sometimes if you shake them mechanically, you have people walking on them, smashing them, and that's not good. I was raised on this farm along with my mother was and my grandfather. Been since 1853, our family's been in the Central Valley.
After a long day of harvest, this is how we like to relax. A nice glass of red wine, and of course, some olive oil. From all of us here at Wassum Ranch, happy harvest.